Are you ready to unlock the doors to a world of digital opportunities? The future is here, and it's time to embrace a new digital income lifestyle. Bill Gates prophesied years ago that the secret of the future will be learning how to learn. Now, that future has arrived, and it's knocking at your door. The door is shut. Where's the key? You don't know. You are stuck. But here's the thing: you might feel resistant at first. That's normal. Command yourself into taking action anyway. Find the key. I, without hesitation, paid $981 for the key to open the door to learn and make money in the new digital opportunities. I made a decision to invest in myself. What's the value of an income blueprint, a proven income process, a good income education? It's priceless when you know how to use it. A community of mentors will show you around the proven income process. The learning process will help you close the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Remember, the greatest investment is in yourself. Add value to yourself. Learn and action the new digital income activities. Who are you? What do you want? It's time to change your perspective. What's your money mentality? To become successful, you have to change how you think. Our early life lessons about money are now outdated. It is time to learn and adopt new lessons and income activities. It is time to think like a CEO of your life. Become an investor. Invest in a good proven income education program. It is a blueprint, a process that works. You have to think differently. You have to take timely action. The digital future has arrived, and it's bringing with it a new way of living and earning. You need to learn a new digital income lifestyle, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. The learning is simple, step by step. You'll learn new income activities that can transform your income. You'll discover how to use simple online tools that can multiply your earning potential. But it's not just about the tools. It's about the mindset. You'll learn a new way of thinking that aligns with the digital age. And you won't be alone on this journey. You'll be part of a community of people just like you, all striving to make money in the digital world. Imagine being part of a supportive online community where you can share your money struggles and celebrate your wins. You'll hear stories of money struggles before and money wins during the program. These stories will inspire you, motivate you, and show you what's possible when you embrace this new digital income lifestyle. If you've been looking for how to make money online, this is for you. But don't just take my word for it. Invest in yourself and see the results firsthand. Remember, the greatest investment is always in yourself. It's time to learn new tools, level up your skills, your mindset, and your income. You might be thinking, I don't have the money to invest right now. But ask yourself, can you afford not to? Can you afford to miss out on the opportunities that are opening up in the digital world? The cost of inaction is far greater than the cost of investment. Think about it. What is the value of a proven income education program that could change your life? What's the value of a skill that could double or triple your income? What's the value of a mindset shift that could unlock opportunities you never even knew existed? The digital future is here now. It's not coming, it's already arrived. And it's bringing with it opportunities that were unimaginable just a few years ago. But to seize these opportunities, you need to be prepared. You need the right skills, the right mindset, and the right community. That's where this income program comes in. It is not just a step-by-step learning process. It is a gateway to a new lifestyle, a digital income lifestyle that can give you the money, freedom, and flexibility you've always dreamed of. No more 9-to-5 grind. No more trading time for money. No more limitations on your earning potential. But here's the thing: this opportunity won't last forever. The digital world is moving fast, and those who hesitate will be left behind. Don't let that be you. Take action now. Invest in yourself now. Your future self will thank you. Remember, success leaves clues. Look at the people who are succeeding in the digital world. What are they doing differently? They're constantly learning. They're adapting to new technologies. They're part of supportive communities. They're thinking differently about money and success. You can do the same. In fact, you must do the same if you want to thrive in this new digital economy. And the program is here to show you how. Step by step, it will guide you through the process of building your digital income lifestyle. You'll learn how to leverage online platforms to create multiple streams of income. You'll discover how to use social media not just for entertainment, but as a powerful tool for building your income and attract more opportunities. You'll master the art of a digital lifestyle and become a confident digital citizen. But it's not just about the technical skills. The program will also help you develop the mindset of a digital entrepreneur. You'll learn how to think creatively, how to spot opportunities where others see obstacles, and how to persevere in the face of challenges. And perhaps most importantly, you'll be part of a community of like-minded individuals who are on the same journey. You'll have access to mentors who have already achieved what you're striving for. You'll be able to network with peers across the world who can become friends, partners, or even customers. This is more than just a program, it's a purpose. A deliberate action towards creating new incomes, freedom, living life on your own terms, towards making a real impact in your life, your family, and global community through the power of digital opportunities. So, are you ready to step into the digital future a reality now and claim your piece of the pie? Are you ready to invest in yourself and unlock your undiscovered potential? If you've been looking for how to make money online, this is your opportunity. This is your moment. Don't let it slip away. Take action now. For more free information, please comment learn and I will send you a link. Your digital future is waiting. Are you ready to embrace it?